Okay, we're moving corn. I'm gonna shut the tractor off. It's raining outside right now. I got lids for these totes so the corn don't get wet when I transfer it from the wagon to the other barn. It takes forever and I hate it. That's loud and not fun. We'll check how much corn we got left real quick before I start it back up because I just shut it off. That's what I kind of hate. Ooh, we got a clump there. Gotta go get sledgehammer. Okay. Decent amount. We still got a bit before we gotta fill it up, back up. Fire this up again. Put her in gear. Pull forward. Back in neutral. And shut her off. Then open her back up. I need back up a little bit. Oh well. Just push it back a little bit. There. Dust. Hold on. I gotta get on the tractor. Nope. Okay. But it's right now raining, so I gotta put them on. I'll get back when I get backed up and on. Take her to the barn. Woo! Time to move corn. Here to here. And here. Move this boy. Take